Today we have the review of the Teufel Rockster Neo, a real sound beast designed to blow up any party. This is not a toy, it is pure power with Berlin engineering. Let's get down to business. Let's start by talking, of course, about what it imposes physically. The Rockster Neo does not exactly stand out for being a light speaker, as it weighs about 17 kilos, which of course already indicates the quality of the internal components. To move it, Teufel has integrated very robust carrying handles on the sides that allow it to be carried comfortably. As for its size, although it is imposing, it is very well optimized. Its shell is rigid and reinforced with rubber corners to absorb impacts. In addition, it is IP44 certified, which guarantees resistance to splashes, dust and sand. So if you get caught in the rain at an outdoor party, don't worry because the speaker holds up without a problem. But now let's go with one of the things that really interests you the most, power. The figure that breaks all the schemes is its 130 decibels of maximum sound pressure. It is a real barbarity, one of the loudest in its category. Inside it hides an XXL coaxial system with a massive 300mm woofer responsible for bass that physically hits you in the chest. The rated power reaches 200 watts RMS powered by high-efficiency Class D amplifiers. Being a coaxial system, the sound is not only loud but clear, projecting high and medium frequencies with amazing clarity even when the volume is at the limit. In the connection section, this equipment incorporates Bluetooth 5.3 with support for the AAC codec and Google Fast Pair, ensuring a stable and fast connection. But the interesting thing comes in the rear panel, as it incorporates professional inputs. An XLR input for a microphone, and two 6.5mm jack inputs for instruments such as an electric guitar. The best thing about this is that the Rockster Neo allows you to mix these signals independently with the music that is playing on Bluetooth through separate gain dials, which makes it perfect for street artist or high-level karaoke sessions. Another important thing is to know how long the party is going to last. This speaker uses a lithium iron phosphate battery, which is much more stable and durable than conventional ones. At a medium volume, it offers us up to 36 hours of uninterrupted playback. The key point here is that the battery is interchangeable. You can take out the module and put another one charged in seconds so that the music never stops. In addition, it has a power bank function through a USB-C port, so you can charge your mobile phone directly from the speaker while your playlist plays. To adapt the sound, it includes three modes: the standard indoor mode, the outdoor mode, which optimizes acoustics in open spaces, and an eco mode to stretch the battery to the maximum. On top of all this, if you don't have a unit that falls short, you have the Party Link feature. With this option, you can connect two units wirelessly to create a real stereo system, and in addition, also wirelessly or via XLR cables, you can daisy chain up to 100 units simultaneously. It is a scalable system for any size of event. As always, before finishing the video, we are going to do a small sound check, although this time we are going to be a little restrained since the speaker is outrageous. So I'm going to go up it little by little so that we can see what it can be capable of and how far it can go indoors.
I've been flying from town to town. I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town. the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
And we come to the end also talking about one of the most important things, the price. The Teufel Rockster Neo costs around 799 euros. Obviously it is a high price, but you should know that you are making an investment in a quality product, very resistant and with a very high durability. We have a very high sound quality, a more than decent autonomy with those 36 hours of uninterrupted use, a great versatility of connections, both wireless and wired, and authentic quality finishes with a German guarantee. Definitely, if you're looking to take your music to the next level, this is the speaker for you.